Take a trip down the Rapids of Keefer Creek to see this massive custom-designed home, built by craftsmen with multi-generational experience in framing and finishing carpentry. This one-owner home was assembled by McComb Brothers Construction. Featuring over 4,700 square feet and a walkout basement, this residence is sure to impress. This home boasts a true chef's kitchen with gas range, a separate built-in oven, and generous countertop space that's perfect for creating memories cooking with loved ones. You could definitely accommodate the largest of family holiday gatherings. Other main floor features include a year-round sunroom where you can catch some rays of sunshine. There's a gas insert fireplace and a master suite on the main level. The sprawling basement would absolutely be your friends and neighbors' destination for game nights with its oversized tavern-style bar, card room, billiard room, and a bonus room that has tons of potential. The walkout basement opens to a large private patio with a 2-level deck so you can continue entertaining outside in the fresh summer air. The backyard is set against a beautiful backdrop of mature trees so you can enjoy watching them change throughout the seasons. Don't miss out on everything that this property has to offer. Call Tim Dinius to make this home your own.